We're almost ready to give you a little something to smile about, but first, we head to the smile stage for a math class. Here are Andrew Gibson and Jabor Martinez from Cedric Titus High.
Well, dog, no maths time now.
Yo, it's my maths class, you know.
So, yo, you know, I got maths class.
Yeah, something there, yo.
My father and top move like you idiot, no, my yo.
Yo, easy.
My come in and top one again on a sense, dog. What I'm to you? You know, one go school and rich your mama.
Dog, me done rich from me take up my banger.
You that really left school, just a turn one scammer.
Cause me want beat up a road like hammer.
Oh, you go rich and you can't count money.
You need maths to do that, dog. You sound funny.
To me, maths is sweeter than honey.
Well, me a pray a girl to go fat up the tummy.
So when you scam, how much it a scam?
Me no know, dog, about couple million.
What that how much?
Me no know, dog, one number too much.
Come we call maths class.
Me nah go.
Come we call maths class.
Me nah go.
Come we call maths class.
Me say me nah go. If you want go a class, you go on no.
Come we call maths class.
Me nah go.
Come we call maths class.
Me nah go.
Come we call maths class.
Me say me nah go. If you want go a class, you go on no.
If you want a doctor, you need maths or a contractor.
Me no need maths.
If you want a teacher,
Me no need maths. Me no need maths. You can't done chat.
dog, suppose I get a roast one day. You fi work 7 day and a 2 grand a day. Tell me how it a go when you fi get paid.
First, you have to add the pay to the day. Jah know story, things set away.
You see, dog, we need maths.
And look how man did I call you idiot.
You can't see it there. Me don't talk, me I do my exam. I'ma make sure my pass.
Jah know don't let me start. I feel like I come a maths class. I feel like I go.
You want come a maths class?
Me want go.
You want we go maths class?
Me want go.
You want come a maths
Me
class?
say me want go. Before maths class done. Come on now.
You want we go maths class?
Me want go.
You want we go maths class?
Me want go.
You want we go maths class?
Me want go. Before maths class done. Come on now.
Yo, you know so I go to man, so.
What go on?
Look at them girl and the boy they go on, dog.
I'll go talk to them.
Go and talk to them, because they know how I go on.
Listen me. You see, as a school girl, school is everything. Don't make no boyfriend tell you anything. Don't make him tell you about no wedding ring. Don't make it get in your head.
You see, as a school youth, school is everything. Don't make your girlfriend tell you anything. Don't make she tell you about no wedding ring. Don't make it get in your head.
Me want you to listen me, and you to listen carefully. The love you thing in your head, it no feel it. Because if it go in your head and it go lick, you are go end up with the belly, sit down a clinic.
You see, these are for pass, these are for pass. The end of term, the Miguelese are for pass. The Capes and the CFCs are for pass.
So you know, say you have to tell Peter for pause.
And next thing, don't worry about the sex thing.
No.
Make sure now your book your mind investing.
Education, that are the best thing. Real thing me a talk about done.
Yes, king.
You not fi hurry fi go text Jim. And you not fi hurry fi go text Kim.
Me don't know your mother and me don't know you, but me know she want you graduate high school.
If your boyfriend nah do nothing good by you, look him in the eye and say goodbye, boo. You see, as a school youth, school is everything. Don't make no boyfriend tell you anything. Don't make him tell you about no wedding ring. Don't make it get in your head. You see, as a school youth, school is everything. Don't make no girlfriend tell you anything. Don't make
she
him
tell about no wedding ring.
Don't make it get in your head.
Yeah, man, school is everything. This week on Something to Smile, the challenge is called React and Act. We will randomly select a sheet of paper that has a scenario on it, and we must react to the occurrence by using animated expressions and gestures. The other player will have 30 seconds to guess the scenario. All right, so Neville already dip into the thing. School is everything. School is everything. You eat tummy ache, belly ache, gas, diarrhea, running belly, gas, diarrhea,
But she
running
kind of
belly.
get it already still, you know. The scenario is that you ate something that upset you. So she kind of get it, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're a thing. You're a thing now.
Then I saw the phraseology is long, Shauna. Lord have mercy, this long. Okay. All right. Move the Jody.
You're watching something and you agree with it and you're ticking off. You win. Lotto. You win the lotto. You know, me I greatest man I world. Me know,
Yeah, no, hold
know
on.
how
I
many
understand. Oh, me give it's not my deviation.
yeah, but I had to get it because
Okay.
you're doing all kind of rubbish. You should have.
Yes, man. Good. Serve you right. You're gone. Home. You quit. You not quit. You resign. You've left your job. You get fired.
Yeah, me get.
Then that's how you get fired and you take it simple.
We want me to drape up the boss and say, we are do. You want me to drape up the boss?
You get fired and you don't say, sure. I eat that. All right.
But if you are
Seriously, Shauna.
if you are the actress, I you do that. I'm glad I know me get that one there.
God have mercy.
And you are the actress.
Okay.
We are the proposed. So I want to shave.
It's a bit hard for you to get it in a body.
You want to kiss me?
But your phone.
See it, yeah?
This is going to take all morning.
Me look good. You're trying to tell me say me look good? You're trying to tell me that you want us.
No!
So you ball out the nose so quick. How you ball out nose so loud and aggressive? You want us to go to dinner? You want us to go and have a...
Yeah, no, but isn't that it says, look here, it says you're having a date with an attractive person. You know, say, Shauna, we did. Anyway, you get more side. My God, Shauna, come on.
Well, I'm glad it's me you draw.
That's why you couldn't get attractive because of you.
I'm glad it's me you draw.
Oh, Lord, attractive took him a
Okay.
while. That look long. You lost your wallet. Can't find your money. The key to your car, to the house. You can't get to the, you go out and can't go back to the house because you lost the key.
I can talk?
Yeah.
You say it already, so me I say go back to where it said first.
You lost your money. The key.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can't find your key.
yeah. I'm late to go somewhere, so she
You
not
can't
get
find your key for go work.
No, me can't
Where you
find.
go?
Me lock myself out of my car.
Oh, you have to go to the car.
Yeah.
Then I just saw your car key open for up your level. That's a house key. Car key, I don't know. So, sure.
That's what my house style. All right, that's it for something to talk about. That's it.